Hi, this is Danica with Keller Williams Realty. I'm standing outside of 51681 Water Watch Court in South Bend, Indiana. This home features 4 bedrooms with potential for an additional bedroom in the lower level. It also has 5 full bathrooms. It's just under 4,400 square feet, and it's located just on the west side of South Bend, about 5 minutes from the Elbow Golf Course, 10 minutes from South Bend Regional Airport, and then it's also about 15 to 20 minutes from Notre Dame and downtown South Bend. All right, let's go take a look.